I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself needing to unlock your Telus card, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telus app. Launch the Telus app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, tap on the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your card settings. Step 4. Find Card Management. In the Account Settings, look for the Card Management section. Here, you will see options related to your card status. Step 5. Unlock your card. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you don't receive the verification email, check your spam folder. It can sometimes end up there. I hope this guide helps you unlock your card quickly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.